So hello coders, welcome to this new video in which we will discuss about the Newton school assignment based on loops concepts. So previously I discussed loops post class where the leap year problem was there, and now this is the next one section for the loop post class as well, in which there is three questions: pattern printing and divisors problem. So today we will discuss one of them. Okay. The first problem is, you can see, divisors problem. So here this is the loop section and the problem name is divisors problem, and according to the problem statement, Sara is solving a math problem. Okay, got it. In which C has given an integer n. C has an integer n. Let's suppose the integer will be 150. Okay, and her task is to find the number of operations required to convert n into 1. So our task is to help Sara that we have a given integer 100 and we have to find the number of operations. We have number of operations means number of division operations via which we can convert the specific integer n into 1. So this is a simple problem. So where in one operation you replace the number with second highest divisor. Okay, it's second highest divisor, it's also a specific point. For example, the 100, then the next second divisor of the 100 is, second highest divisor is, let's suppose 50, and the second highest divisor of 50 is 25, and second highest divisor of 25 is 5 itself, and then it's converted 5 to 5, then 5 divided by 5 is 1. So this is the process via which we can solve this problem. Okay, so it's a simple problem, but let's discuss about the input. Since this is a function problem, okay, it's a function problem, we don't have to take user input and we have to just complete the function divisor problem that will take n as an argument. Okay, got it. Output will be written the number of operations required. Okay, what the number of operations to convert a specific n integer into 1, we have to return only that. So here you can see 100 is an input, so number of output is 4, because we have to create 4 operations. So you can see, as I already discussed, 100 to 50, then 50 to 25, 5 to 25, 5 to 1. So simple input is 10 and simple output is 20 for is specific this input. Okay, you got it. This is the entire code. You can check it out, the code, it's very simple, and I will also upload the same in the drive and share the link in the video description, you can check it out. But first analyze the problem by yourself and think about the solution as well, because it is so much easy. It is completed in C++, you can go with Java, JavaScript, Python, whatever you want. So the logic is the logic is here, so you can get it out. Just in input I have to pass 100. Okay, I'm going to run the program, and here the desired output will be 4, you can see, and just I'm going to submit for checking the test cases, that test cases is completed or not according to this program. Also you can see test case is also completed. So this is about this video, and the next two will be uploaded in the same playlist, you can check it out. Or if you want to get the solution of another Newton school assignment, then must check out my YouTube channel, in which there are different playlists available. You can check it out according to your assignment or according to your requirement. The playlist will be available, you can check the solution itself. But first analyze the problem, then go with the code, analyze the code as well, think about the code, think about your logic as well. You can implement different logic as well, then use the code. So this is my video about loops post class. Another video will be uploaded as well, you can check in the playlist or you will get in the video descriptions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning. Bye bye. Thank you.